Hey everyone, today we're going to be working with Lightbox styles. Before we get started, I can already hear you asking what Lightbox is. Well, it's a feature used in a lot of websites and you've probably already seen it, but it's used to better showcase video and image-based content. Here's an example on my website. As you can see, the background dimmed, giving my image a better focus as a point of interest. Today, we are going to learn how to style this. Let's get started. So when you click the theme builder, your page will already be selected. You'll see that Lightbox is the bottom block down here. Now, like any other block in the theme builder, you can style everything from the background to the extra CSS. You can also style your images and your videos. And you can also style your caption. Quick side note, a bunch of the settings have already been styled for you, and you can tweak them the way you wish. And just like that, you've learned how to style your Lightbox. Thanks everyone.